Now see the relationship between TC and MC. Okay. So now in this relationship, what are they saying? Marginal cost is the addition to total cost when one more unit of output is produced. Like in the earlier video, I discussed that TVC, like average variable cost, is derived from the average variable cost as well as the marginal cost. Both are derived from the total variable cost. Okay. Here also the same thing we are doing. What is marginal cost? It is addition to the total cost because of an extra unit of production. So, marginal cost, that is why they are saying that marginal cost is addition to total cost because of an extra unit of production. Now, as marginal cost is derived from the total cost because it is an addition to the extra unit of production to the total cost. So, see the relationship. When the total cost is increasing at a diminishing rate in the initial stages of production, my marginal cost is falling. Because at that time, if I use an extra unit of labor, it is not increasing my cost of production. Because productivity of the labor is high. Now, when my total cost is increasing and it stops, and it becomes constant and it stops, marginal cost is minimum. Now when after this, when my total cost starts increasing at an increasing rate, my marginal cost also starts increasing at an increasing rate. So marginal cost is derived from the total cost because total cost means addition to the cost because of an extra unit of production. Okay. So when my total cost will increase at a diminishing rate, marginal cost will fall. When my total cost will become minimum, or you can say it stops increasing, it stops for a certain point of time, it is minimum, marginal cost is minimum. When total cost is increasing at an increasing rate, marginal cost will rise. Now see the next part, relationship between TVC and MC. So we have earlier only said that marginal cost is just an addition to the total cost in terms of the variable factor. Okay, so we know that MC is addition to the variable cost when one more unit of output is produced. So TVC, so variable cost can be obtained by summarizing the marginal cost. What is marginal cost? Marginal cost is measuring the cost, extra unit of cost of production for an extra unit of output. So what is this extra unit of cost of production? Means an extra unit of hiring the labor. Okay, so when we are telling about this, so marginal cost is indirectly measuring the cost of labor. So we can derive total variable cost from marginal cost by adding the marginal cost of all the units of production. If output is assumed to be perfectly divisible, then this total area, see, this total area TVC is written. Okay, this total area under the marginal cost curve is equal to TVC. Why? This is the marginal cost curve. These are my outputs. Okay, so this, what did we say? That we can get TVC by summarizing the marginal cost of the units of output. So by summarizing these units of output, we will get the total variable cost. Okay, so OPLQ is the total variable cost in the diagram, or area OPLQ is equal to total variable cost. Okay, so I conclude this chapter here. Next we will be moving to revenue, or I can directly move to a very small chapter which is a connecting chapter of market form, that is producers equilibrium. So I will check and let you know.